What if I told you there's a crypto project quietly preparing to explode while the whole market is sleeping on it? A project with a brand new CEO, millions in funding, and massive gaming partnerships. Yet its token is still trading under 5 cents. Today, we're diving deep into Ultra, a sleeping giant that might just break out of its multi-year downtrend. We'll look at chart patterns, insider developments, and what the smart money sees that retail doesn't. And stick around because this story might change how you see low caps forever. Let's kick things off with what might be the spark to light this fire. Ultra just secured $12 million in funding, led by Luxembourg's NOI Capital. That's not just pocket change. That's serious capital in a brutal bear market. But here's the truth. This isn't just about money. It's about momentum. It's about new leadership, a clear vision, and a platform-first strategy. CEO Gus van Rijkevorsel has laid it out. Ultra isn't just competing with legacy game stores. It's aiming to redefine what gaming means in the Web3 era. Think Steam, but with NFTs, real ownership, and player-first economics. And this is no vague promise. The raise is being used strategically to recruit top talent, scale the platform, and lay the groundwork for an even larger raise later this year. That's fuel for fire. All right, let's talk price. UOS USDT is currently sitting at 4 cents, buried at the bottom of a multi-year falling wedge pattern. But if you've been around crypto long enough, you know falling wedges usually break up. Zoom into the chart. The wedge is tightening. Price is hugging support. And the Fibonacci RSI is flashing bottom signals, exactly what we want to see before a breakout. But here's what's really interesting. The Fibonacci levels are loaded with upside potential. From a base of 4 cents, we're looking at the levels. 0786 at 14 cents, 1618 at 24 cents, and 3618 at 49 cents. You don't need a PhD in TA to see the opportunity here. We're talking 10x potential if momentum aligns with narrative, and right now, the narrative is catching fire. So what's driving the narrative? Let's start with Ultra's latest announcement. MetaHoof, a high-stakes competitive horse racing game, will launch exclusively on Ultra. That's not just a niche flex. It's a signal to the industry. Ultra is becoming the launch pad for new gaming experiences. Then there's Lost Isle, a first-person MMO full of medieval mystery, developed by Wunder Entertainment. This isn't just pixel art fluff, it's immersive, explorable, and backed by Ultra's infrastructure. And finally, the blockbuster. Blocklords, a major title already live on Epic Games Store, is now teaming up with Ultra. That means asset ownership, game distribution, and community engagement all through UOS. If you're still calling this a ghost chain, you're not paying attention. Ultra isn't winging it. Their 2025 roadmap is one of the most packed I've seen in crypto gaming. Q1, Ultra DEX EVM launch and wallet multi-token support. Q2, game store redesign, Quest platform, personal apps. Q3, RNG infrastructure, games hub, and physical distribution via Thomson laptops. Q4, NFT staking, in-app notifications, web marketplace, and social features. And yes, this includes tokenomics, updates, staking, and bridging across chains. They're not just making a game store. They're building a Web3 Steam meets Xbox ecosystem, and UOS is at the center. Let's connect the dots. This isn't just about Ultra. This is about how DeFi principles are bleeding into every industry, including gaming. Yield farming? It's coming in the form of NFT staking rewards. Token utility? UOS is being used across in-game purchases, governance, and distribution. And here's where my eBook comes in. If you want to understand how staking, farming, and airdrops actually work beyond the hype, grab DeFi, Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's just $4.99, and it's packed with the real strategies I use to spot narratives like this before they go mainstream. The link is in the first pinned comment. Invest in your brain before you invest in tokens. Still not convinced? As of April 6th, Ultra has hit 55,900 blockchain accounts. And yes, that number is growing daily. The foundation is there, and it's quietly expanding. While most of crypto Twitter is chasing hype and scams, Ultra is doing what matters: building, shipping, and onboarding users. This is what early adoption looks like. Not moon boys, not influencers, just builders and believers. So here's the final question. Do you want to be the person who buys before the breakout, or the one who FOMOs in after it hits 25 cents? Ultra is aligning fundamentals, chart patterns, and narrative momentum all at once. This is rare, and when it happens, it usually doesn't stay under 5 cents for long. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your take on UOS. Is this a future blue chip, or just another Web3 dream? And if you want to go even deeper, check out my previous video. This is Crypto Yield Pro, your edge in the world of decentralized finance. Stay sharp and see you tomorrow.